Vibrant purple gives a royal touch to the winter day. In this design, centerpiece, foam-free, and fabulous. Let me show you how it's done. The flowers, of course, starting with the dendrobium orchids, then adding in some of my favorite purple blooms. For foliage, sticking with that blue-gray palette with eucalyptus and seeded eucalyptus. Container, it's not watertight. Isn't that beautiful? So I put a liner in, floral netting taped in place, and then add water pre-mixed with flower food. I start with the eucalyptus. It has such nice draping, giving it a cut, stripping down, then placing. Let it angle for a central binding point, repeating, getting that base begun, and coming back with some of the seeded eucalyptus, breaking it down. The color is fabulous with the container. Then using kale. It's so big, majestic, and it gives you a nice substantial base to support the other blooms. Placing it in, angling out, making sure it's nice and secure. The dendrobium looks so beautiful and graceful, letting them extend outward. Ocean song roses, giving that little lighter lavender, adding some contrast. Grouping them to get maximum visual value. Pulling the eye inward through the arrangement. And then the deep purple carnations for, again, a little more contrast, tucking in, radiating around, front, back, side to side. As a final touch, just a few stems of gomphrena. They're so delicate and can come dancing over the top of the others, bringing a little more color up in the air. Eucalyptus and seeded eucalyptus to create the base. Then 5 kale, a full bunch of gomphrena, 10 of the ocean song roses, 10 dendrobium orchids, and 10 purple carnations. You can see it creates a beautiful centerpiece. The majesty of purple, perfect for the deep, dark winter months. You'll find more creative inspiration on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. Gather up vibrant purple blooms, create a centerpiece. Take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.